Hi sir, how are you?
I'm good.
Sir, what are you doing? Are you busy?
No, I just came from the class. So Anil has forwarded me a question that one of the student has asked.
Okay.
So just looking into that particular query.
Sir, can I ask you one question?
Hmm.
So LevelUp IAS, the GS Foundation course is going to begin from 24th of June. And I'm asking this from everyone. Why a student should join the GS Foundation course of LevelUp IAS?
Okay, one thing predominantly that I've seen after joining LevelUp, I was very much impressed with the coverage of the syllabus. So I could see in all the subjects, even in the previous year, the coverage of the syllabus has been completed. So for example, with respect to polity also, I can say that the classes has been scheduled in such a way that we touch upon each and every topic in the syllabus. And then the second thing that I've seen with regard to the foundation course is every class goes with a very crisp handout to the students, which could be really good. The students will feel that once they complete the course, which will help them to revise the subjects. They also look for some kind of mentor, a friend in every teacher, and which I see is really impressive in LevelUp. All the teachers are easily approachable. They can ask their doubts to the students. And then finally, I also feel that the way that the course has been conducted, not in just terms of the classes, but the doubt solving sessions, or be it the regular test that is being conducted. Once you aggregate all these things collectively, it will be really helpful to the students at the end of the year, where they can be really prepared to clear this examination, probably if they use it properly in the very first attempt itself. So all these things are really good and impressive level.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.